Law office of Abassian Marrache LLP is located in Encino, California. We primarily focus on employment law, personal injury cases. There's a large area of different incidents that could qualify as a personal injury case. It includes your typical car accidents, truck accidents, bus accidents, a pedestrian being hit by an auto, slip and fall, any type of premises case, wrongful death, a dog bite, elderly abuse. In the employment area, we focus on wage and hourly employment, sexual harassment, any wrongful termination cases, class action lawsuits as well. Having been in the industry for a long time, the first thing I did was try to figure out the day I have my law office, what I would do that would be different from what's currently being done in the market today. And the first thing that I saw that most of the people complain about was that they did not have any kind of relationship with their attorneys. Usually you call, you're being placed on hold. It takes a couple of days to get a call back. It's very well possible that you never even meet your attorney and your case gets settled and you've never met your attorney through the whole process. And a lot of the clients that I dealt with complained about that. So that was the first thing, the first philosophy that I wanted to bring into my law office, which would be to provide a level of care to our customers, to our clients, that is unseen in the industry. What I mean by that is we hold our clients' hand through the entire process. We make sure that they are taken care of from the very first day they meet us until the last day where we give them their check and they're compensated for their injury.
We pride ourselves in the level of personal service that we provide to our clients. I've been in the industry for more than a decade, working in a law firm setting, being involved in very complex legal matters, big personal injury cases where catastrophic injuries are involved. And the one thing that I saw was the lack of communication between the attorney and the client. These people have been injured, scarred for life. They lost a limb, they lost the life of a loved one, and they don't know what the heck's going on. And that's what we're here for. That's what an attorney is there for, not only to carry out the legal process, but also to make them comfortable, to make them understand, to hold their hand through the process, if you will. We strive to be accessible attorneys. It does no person any good to have an attorney that you cannot access. So, especially in personal injury matters where a horrible accident might occur, you want to talk to somebody right away. You want to be able to reach that person, and that person shouldn't be an answering service or a secretary or a paralegal. It should be an attorney that you can get a hold of quite quickly so they can explain to you and guide you and give you counsel. We heard a lot about tort reform, how we should limit attorneys' fees and monetary recoveries by plaintiffs. But when the tables turn, your whole world changes. And it's important that you have plaintiffs' lawyers who work on contingency, because could you imagine that you would have to foot the cost of the legal bill for a litigation that takes 1.5 to 2 years? And a litigation in which you have to hire, say, 10 experts at thousands of dollars each just to get them to look at your case. It would never happen. It couldn't be done. It's important to have reliable, reputable, high-quality experts, because the experts bring value to your case. Not only do they bring value to your case, but the defense bar knows that you are serious about prosecuting the case when you have these experts. They want you to spend money. We are going up against 100, 200 lawyer law firms. We're the Davids of this world, and they're the Goliaths of this world. I've had the fortunate experience of representing some very nice clients, clients that had been involved in horrific accidents, that had sustained catastrophic injuries. One in particular, a gentleman who had a below-the-knee amputation, and it was a very highly contested litigation. We went up against 2 or 3 big companies who had a lot of lawyers and a lot of resources at their disposal. And this is why the contingency vehicle is important. We were able to prosecute the case through, it was about 1.5 years, and we were able to obtain a very good recovery for the client.